Hello everybody, this is Katerina, Nordstrom beauty stylist. I have more than 15 years experience and today I introducing you Este Lauder eyeshadow palette. It's a brand new palette. Eyeshadow is so pretty. I will teach you, I will swatch for you these colors, and it's already on me. I look young, soft. If you wanna look young, soft after 40, this is channel for you. Yes, I am working for Nordstrom. I have more than 15 years experience and I don't work for any brand. I teaching people how to look young, fabulous, gorgeous. Okay, I'm 44. I do like this look. Again, subscribe, comments below, and let's start. And yes, right here it's my favorite blush palette. It's so pretty and I will show you how I use this. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's watch this beautiful eyeshadows. Again, look at how pretty they are. Okay, I put already on my hand Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. It's pretty white, but I want like a bright undertone, and we're gonna use on my eyelid. And let's start with this first beautiful white color. Wow, it's really sparkly. Now I cannot wait for this beautiful pink color. You can see I'm smiling. Okay, this is its pink one. Ooh, wow. Oh, it is very pretty. Not big difference from white and pink. I don't know if I like this texture or not on my eyelid. We're gonna try two more colors to try. Okay, and now I'm gonna try this matte color, and this one it's like a silver gray. Okay, very it's like very pretty. I actually like this texture. And let's try matte color. Ooh, okay, very like a dusty, very dusty, I'll say, like color. It's very unusual. It's like a brownish taupey color. A little cookie again barking. Okay, let's try on my eyes. I'm gonna use again on entire my eyelid Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. And one more eyelid, which one I decide to show you right now. I'm not gonna wait to the end. It's eyeliner. It's a double end eyeliner from Este Lauder, and they have like a light blue color, and I'm gonna just put right here. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love, I cannot wait to use it on my waterline. And this is, it's a navy color, navy blue. I absolutely in love with this combo. It's very hard to find, particularly like this light blue color, and they waterproof. This stays really good. I will link products below. I'm not sure what price, but I am so excited about this eyeliner. Again, first step, I'm gonna apply entire my eyelid. It's primer. Eyeshadow primer, it's done, and I'm gonna use this beautiful gray soft color, and I'm using my Chanel brush. It's a double-ended brush, I believe number 200. Yeah, and it's a big blending color, like, oh sorry, big blending brush. And I applying this great soft color from this corner to this corner. It's like my big middle color. This color, not much pigment, very soft looking. I'm not sure about this palette, but you never know what's gonna happen when we finish. Now I'm gonna use small blending brush from North. It's my favorite brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful dark soft matte color. I'm gonna apply right here on the corner, and I'm gonna pushing up this eyeshadow, pushing up. And I'm applying this darker color again a little bit above my suckle area. Now I have my clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna little bit blend and make very soft. Woohoo! So far not bad, yes, but again I will tell you, eyeshadow very soft, because it don't go to too much pigmented. Somebody like it, somebody not, it's okay with me. Now I'm gonna use this amazing glitter primer from NYX, and it's what it's gonna do, it's gonna make these sparkles stays really good. They're not gonna shed, they're not gonna disappear. I think around $6 is. I love this product. I'm gonna list it below, and we're gonna put right here. I'm gonna use a flat concealer brush. And now I'm gonna use this pink sparkly eyeshadows. Oh my god, wow, it's beautiful. It's like a pearl shimmer. It's really pretty. You know, sometimes you buy an eyeshadow palette and you're like, I'm not sure if I like it. But it's most important to know how to apply, how to use this palette. It's so pretty. One more time, I'm gonna use my dark eyeshadow with North brush. I'm gonna just little bit add more color right here. And above my little shimmer. Okay, now I'm gonna use this beautiful navy eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lash line. Oh, it's pretty. And I feel very young, actually it's very pretty. Now I'm gonna use again this navy eyeliner, but with small tiny brush. I'm gonna apply, and I love this quality of this eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply this navy color very soft underneath, very soft. And why I apply with brush? Because it's go much more softer if I will just use eyeliner. If I will use just eyeliner, sometimes it looks heavy. And now we're gonna use this beautiful light color blue on my waterline. Oh yeah, I love it. Now I'm gonna use my Chanel volume mascara. I want lots of volume. But you know what, I'm just gonna apply a few times, and then I feel like I need false lashes today. Lashes, it's done, and let's finish a little bit my look. Again, I'm gonna use this beautiful palette from Pure. I absolutely love this palette. We have 4 different colors here for blush, and today I'm gonna use this darker, like a pink dark color. I'm gonna just put, ooh, very pigmented. Okay, very softly let me blend this little bit blend. Oh, I love this palette. Love. Blush, it's done. And you know what? I'm gonna use my big blending brush and I'm gonna use this little color. It's like a soft pink color, and I'm gonna put on my eye just right here. What it does, it's like blush will melt together with my eyeshadows. They will connect to each other. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. You can put any of your blush and it always looks pretty. And let's do the lips. Okay, let me look at in my stash what lipstick should I use. Okay, I don't want to go too pinky. I'm gonna use Mocha lip liner from Estee Lauder, and I'm gonna use Citizen. It's a matte lipstick here and lip gloss underneath, and it's color Los Angeles. Okay, let's see. Pretty deep lip liner, and I use on another end little bit brush, and it's basically soft this line. And let's put this lipstick. Oh, this lipstick, it's perfect for these eyes. And let's try lip gloss. And now this lips, it's not just pretty, they are sexy. It's a beautiful soft matte lip color. Girls, I do like this eyeshadow palette. When I start working, I'm like, I'm not sure if I like it or not, but the end of result, it looks so pretty. Oh, I love this. Like, even it don't look like too pinky, it's more looks like a white, but it's so pretty, sparkle, and this color combination make me look very young. Okay, I approve. Subscribe, comments below, and I will see you in my next video. And of course, I will put all this product link below for you.